iPhone Facebook Messenger, how to use. So if you want to basically use the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone and you've been wondering how you can do that, first of all, before you open the Messenger app, you must make sure, by the way, that you have the default Facebook application installed there. Once you've done that and then you log in, by default this is the home interface that you will see. You will see a list of people that you've been communicating with, that you've been calling to. If you tap the stories icon from here, you'll be able to follow up with the stories of all the other people. If you want to search for someone, you can simply go ahead and search for their name over here. You can simply send them a message, you can send them a photo or video, you can send them a voice message, a message, or whatever else it is that you prefer. If you want to place a call to that person, you can tap the video call icon from the top right or the normal call icon right over there. Now let us explore some of the account settings. You can see the three lines option located at the top left hand side, and from here you can see marketplace. Message request is where if you have received any message and they get sent to the spam folder, this is where you will be able to find them. After that, if you tap the gear icon right here, which is the settings icon, here you'll be able to customize your dark mode. You can switch your account, you can view your active status, you can see your accessibility settings, your privacy and safety, your device storage. Similarly, you can customize the notifications and sound, photos, media, and so on. If you go to account center, these are basically your meta account settings, so I won't get into this in detail, but basically this is the Messenger application in overview, and all the people that you see here are either recommended to you by Messenger or they are on your friends list on Facebook. So you can also see the notes that your friends actually post right over here. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.